Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a fresh Google Drive backup on your Android, WhatsApp so the latest chat state exists. Once done, open Move to iOS on Android and begin the device transfer on the iPhone setup screen. Make sure both phones are powered and on the same network or use the iPhone's temporary hotspot. This moves media, accounts, and app data pointers. However, WhatsApp needs a separate in-app import step, so don't skip completing the Android backup before proceeding. Once the device transfer starts, choose WhatsApp data when prompted by Move to iOS. The apps will guide you to scan a QR or enter a code to pair. You must grant file and storage permissions on Android and allow WhatsApp to prepare and hand off the backup package. The tool transfers chats and media directly to the iPhone's secure app container. This is why Google Drive copy is not restored on iPhone. Instead, the exported package is imported. Be patient while the transfer finishes. After transfer, install WhatsApp on the iPhone and verify with the same phone number used on Android. The app will detect the transferred backup and prompt to restore. If it does not appear, confirm you used the same number, have adequate iPhone storage, and retry the Move to iOS sequence. One key troubleshooting tip: Google Drive backups cannot be restored directly on iPhone. Rerun the device-to-device transfer and ensure permissions were granted on Android so the exported backup completes successfully before verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.